Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the vapor canister vent valve solenoid on a GMC Envoy. This is the same process on all GMC Envoys ranging from 2002 to 2009, and it should be the same process for all of the sibling vehicles. My first symptom of a bad vapor canister solenoid valve was after I pump a full tank of gas, the car would struggle to start. It was kind of embarrassing when people started to look at you at the gas station, but upon further inspection, I received a P0442 code, which is an evap emission system leak. After I replaced my vapor canister, the code went away. So if this is what you're experiencing, this video may be for you. Hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. It has grown a lot and it's all thanks to you guys for showing your support. Anyways, I bought this new vapor canister vent valve solenoid from Rock Auto for $30 Canadian, which I think is a good deal. If you want a GM genuine product, Rock Auto also has it for $65 Canadian. Other than that, for this project you may need a flathead screwdriver, a hammer, and some WD-40. These Envoys are over 15 years old now, so the metal bracket that holds the vent canister in place may have some rust on it, making it difficult to remove. So here's the new one. So let's go replace it. You don't need to lift up the vehicle or remove the spare tire to do this job. Lifting the vehicle can give you extra space to work, but it's not necessary. The vent valve is located near the right side of the vehicle, near the gas tank. There it is. It's very easy to access. The hose has a release behind it, so you have to press it gently to pull it off. So press and pull the hose off, and then make sure you get your electrical connector off as well. It's right behind it, right there, the red one. Now use your flathead screwdriver and lift up the metal release tab here. Once that is done, you can gently shimmy this thing out as shown. Here is the old one and the new one right here. They are identical. So let's go install the new one. Plug in the electrical connection before putting the canister back into place. So it's just a clip and it goes right in like that. Make sure you hear a nice solid click. Once the electrical connection is on, slide the new vent solenoid back into place and make sure it's nicely locked in. Just like that. Now you can put back the hose and make sure you hear a click when you put it back in. There we have it, that's it. Now it's all said and done. Make sure to clear your codes. I've cleared mine and it hasn't come back since. Now I'm going to show you what the inside of the old canister vent solenoid looks like and a way to prevent this thing from going bad. So here we have it, there's a sponge inside. So it's pretty dirty. There was a lot of debris inside. So this is an open-close valve. So after gas fill up, the computer commands the purge valve operation to suck gas vapors out of the charcoal canister and into the engine so it can burn them and return the charcoal canister to a ready state. The computer provides power or ground to the purge valve and the vent valve. The purge valve allows engine vacuum to suck vapors out of the canister, and vent valve allows fresh air into the canister to replace the vapor. When the purge cycle is done, the computer closes both valves. Overfilling the gas tank can cause liquid fuel to enter the charcoal canister or carbon filter. which is designed to only handle fuel vapor. This can cause problems with the fuel system and engine operation, including difficulty to start the engine. It's possible that this is what happened to my car. So the moral of the story is do not overfill your vehicle with gas. That's going to be it for today's video, folks. Hope you all enjoyed and see you all next time.